everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. The palette that I know you guys can't see it very well. It is so shiny and my camera does not like to pick it up. But the palette that I'm going to be using today is Dark Magic. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. Now this was kind of stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit. I really did like how it turned out, but this is not a palette that I would reach for, which is why I decided to go ahead and make it my first tutorial out of the collection, and I decided to do this one first because, I don't know. I mean, there are really pretty colors in here, but I don't know, I just don't use that many greens, and I feel like there's at least three green shades in here, and I'm proud of myself because I used all three of them in this tutorial. Which is good. I mean, I was like, I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to do it. I do like the blue color here, but I wasn't feeling it today, so I didn't use it. But that's okay. I'll get around to it some other time. Yeah, before we get into this video, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. I do appreciate the support. And I do plan to do all four of the palettes. I mean, I'm just starting out with Dark Magic first, like I said, but I do plan on doing Bling Boss, Armed and Gorgeous, and Ring the Alarm at some point. I'm not sure when I'll be doing them, but I will do them. But yeah, let's get straight into this tutorial. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to go into is this cream kind of color over here. It's called Poof. And for our brushes, I'm going to try out these brushes that I got from AliExpress. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I show you a little haul that I did, some things that I bought off of AliExpress, and this is one of them. And I hadn't tried them out yet, so I thought that I would go ahead and try them out. I'm not expecting too much from them, but I thought I'd just go ahead. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And I'm just using that shade as my transition shade. These brushes aren't the softest. They're a little, you know, like when you get a brush that's kind of like prickly almost. Yeah, I'm not going to continue using this brush. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M433 brush. Alright, then with this color Potion, I'm going to go in with that color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid as well. And I'm using the Eyeliner brush, fluffy brush. I didn't have any problems with this Potion color, the green one. What do you guys think? Does it look patchy? I don't think it looks patchy. I mean, it blended really easy. Apologize if the lighting keeps kind of changing. It's kind of cloudy outside and the sun keeps peeking out and then it keeps going back behind the clouds and then peeking out again, so that kind of affects my lighting a little bit. But let's see, I think I'm going to go into Inside Job, which is this dark green right here. I'm going to go in with the same brush that I was using, and I'm going to kind of try to put that on the outer corners of my eyelid. want to go in with that Morphe brush, the M433 brush, and I think I'm going to go into that color, the inside job one, just so I can really get back there in the crease, just because I think that other brush is a little too big. Yeah, that helped a lot to switch to a smaller brush, because I did notice that there's some spots in the back that I wasn't getting, and I think it was just because my brush was too big, and this one's obviously smaller, so. Then I'm going to go back into Potion, this green color, and I'm just going to go back over the lids with it, because I think just more like, oops, more like in the center. Now with this Alamore flat, kind of a flat brush, I'm going to go into Trickery, which is this green right here, kind of like a metallic green, sparkly green. And I'm just going to start putting that kind of like on the outer corners and just kind of bringing it in. Now I'm going to go in with my fingertip instead. Now I want to go into Diversion, which is this color right here, and I'm just going to put that in the center. And I'm just using my fingertip because I think it works better with your fingertip than with the brush for just the shimmer colors. Alright, then I'm going to go into Power Cut, which is this color right here. And I'm going to put that more towards the corners of my eyelids. So I'm just going to bring it down from here. There. And I'm still using my fingertip to do that. Now I'm just going to keep going over the three colors, like doing the Power Cut there, Diversion in the middle, and then Trickery in the center, or not the center, the corner, my eyelids right here, the outer corner. I'm just going to intensify them a bit. Alright, I'm just going to go back into Potion again. And I'm just going to go and kind of bring it up along the edge here, just to kind of blend out any lines or anything. And also kind to try to lighten it up a little bit, because it kind of got kind of dark in the edges here, and I'm just trying to lighten it up a little bit. Alright, then for lower lashes, I'm going to go into Potion. This color here. And I'm just going to put it not real tight to my lash line, but a little bit. Just going to put it on the lower lash line. And I'm just using like a pencil brush. And the brand, I think it's just like a brand I got from Amazon. It's nothing. I don't think it's a known brand. And I wouldn't suggest this brush. It's not the best. But it is all I have at the moment. Then with the Lamar, like, tight line eyeliner kind of pencil. I'm going to go into the inside job, which was that dark green, and I'm going to put it right along my lash lines, kind of like eyeliner. But I'm not going to bring it all the way in. I'm just going to stop about halfway in through my eye, just because I don't want it to make my eye look smaller. Also, I don't want it to make it look harsh. I want the dramatic look, but not too much. Alright, so I'm going to pop some mascara on, put some lip color on, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, and this is the finished look. I did go ahead and I popped some of this. Let's see what it is. Beauty for Real. It's an eyeliner, but it's gold. You guys probably won't be able to see it because I've used so much of it, but I'll kind of swatch it for you. It's, oops, see it my camera. It's this really pretty gold color, and I just went ahead and I put that on the bottom of my waterline, just because I was feeling a little extra today, just to give it a little more of a pop. And then I just popped some mascara on and put some lip color on. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!